Okay, so next is question number 7. A cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter high and with radius of base 18 centimeter is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter, find the radius and slant height of the heap. So you have a cylindrical bucket whose height and radius is given, okay, and that bucket is filled with sand. Now the bucket is emptied on the ground. So after emptying, a conical heap of sand is formed, okay. That means that figure is in the shape of a cone. Now if the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeters, so height of the cone is given, so we have to find the radius and the slant height of the heap. Okay, so let us do the solution part. So here, as you can see in the figure, we have a cylindrical bucket whose radius is 18 centimeter and height is 32 centimeter. So it is full of sand. Now when it is emptied on the ground, a conical heap of sand is formed, okay, so whose height is given 24 centimeter. So we have to find the radius of the cone and then the slant height, okay, this height. So first of all, let us write for the cylindrical bucket. So for cylinder, radius is 18 centimeter and height is 32 centimeter. So let us find the volume. So volume of cylindrical bucket will be same formula, volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. So you put the values, pi is 22/7 into r square is 18 into 18 into h is 32. Okay, so after multiplying you will get this 228096/7 cubic centimeter. So this is for cylinder. Now let us find for cone. So for cone, only height is given, right, 24 centimeter. Radius is not given and slant height is also not given. So this is the formula for slant height, okay, root over a square plus r square. So if you get the radius, we can find the slant height, okay, because height is already given. So first of all, let us find the radius. So now you see this bucket is full of sand, right? So when it is emptied, the sand is formed in the conical heap. So that means what? The volume of this cylinder will be equal to the volume of conical heap, because same amount of sand is flowed here, right? So according to the question, this volume of cone will be equal to volume of cylinder. So volume of cone we already, okay, we have not got. Volume of cylinder I have already got, that is this much. So just apply here, okay. So volume of cone formula is 1/3 pi r square h, that is equal to volume of cylindrical bucket, that is this much. So now you put the values, okay, pi r square is what? Not given, so we have to find r. H is given, that is 24. So after calculation you will get r square is equal to 1296. Then only r will be square. So if you take on the other side, right side will be square root. So now you have to factorize this, okay. So here I factorize. So I got this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, I got 4 times. So while taking out of the square root, we have to take out in pairs. So here one pair, so I have taken out 1 2, and here another pair 2 3 is in pair, you take out 1, and then from here you take out 1, okay. After that you multiply, you will get r equal to 36 centimeter. So this is the radius. So now here we can apply, okay, in the formula of slant height to get slant height, okay. So let us apply in this formula. So slant height is root over a square plus r square. So h is 24, okay, 24 square plus, and r is 36 square. So if you square them, you will get 576, and 36 square is 1296. So after adding, you will get 1872. So again it's a square root, so you have to factorize. After factorization you will get this, okay. Then you take out from the square root in pairs, 2, that means 1 here, and see this 13, it does not have any pair, okay, so you have to write under root only. So when you multiply, 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 into root 13. So that is the slant height, okay.